எண்ணியவை முடிதல் வேண்டும், நல்லவை எண்ணல் வேண்டும். 10th standard Science Carbon Compounds Part 2. We discuss about IUPAC rules. Already Part 1 parent and primary suffix discussed. That part secondary suffix discussed by step. Secondary suffix is depends upon the functional groups. The main functional groups is that first one is the alcohol. The symbol of alcohol ROH. The R indicate to alkyl. Alkyl means removal of hydrogen from alkane. That is the symbol of R. Then OH is the alcohol symbol. Then the secondary suffix is added OL. So the name is parent plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. The aldehyde, that symbol is RCHO. Then secondary suffix added AL. Then parent plus parent's primary suffix plus secondary suffix. Then ketone RCO. Then the secondary suffix added ONE as well as the names same. Then acid RCOH. Then secondary suffix added ic acid. First discuss about alcohol. That alcohol symbol is OH. Then the structure. Then parent means number of carbons present is already discussed. Then primary suffix is depends upon the bond, it is also already discussed. Then secondary suffix. So the name is parent plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. The first one is the CH3OH. Parent is number of carbons 1, so meth, plus primary suffix ANE. OH is present there. Then the secondary suffix is added to OL. So the name is methanol. Then second CH3CH2OH. So number of carbons 2. So eth plus ane plus all, ethanol. Third one is the number of carbons 3. So prop plus ane plus OL, propanol. Then the fourth one is the number of carbons 4. So but plus ANE plus OL, butanol. All formulas write in a subscript only. Functional groups is aldehyde. Then aldehyde, the secondary suffix added AL. The symbol of aldehyde CHO. So the name is parent plus primary suffix, then secondary suffix. The first one is the number of carbons 1. So the parent is meth plus ANE, CHO presence. So the secondary suffix added AL. Then the name is methanol. Second one is the number of carbons 2. The CHO is also included to parent. Then the counting of carbons. So number of carbons 2. So eth, ane, all, ethanol. The third one is the number of carbons 3. So prop, ane, al, propanol. The fourth one is the number of carbons 4. But plus ane plus all, butanol. The main difference between alcohol and aldehyde, OL and AL. Functional groups. Ketones. The symbol of ketones is CO. Then the secondary suffix added ONE. So the parent plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. It also the CO are included to parent. That means number of carbons counted. The first one is the number of carbons 3. Then the name is prop plus ane plus secondary suffix one. The name is propanone. The third one is the number of carbons 4. So parent but plus ane plus one, butanone. The third one is the number of carbons 5. So the parent is pent plus ane plus 1, pentanone. Aldehyde and ketone and acid, the three functional groups, the symbols are included to parent. Then the number of carbons counting. It is main points of IUPAC rules. Fourth functional groups is acid. The acid symbols COOH. When the COH is present, then the secondary suffix added iic acid. So the same rules. The first one is the number of carbons 1. So the parent is meth plus primary suffix ane. Then the secondary suffix added iic acid. So the name is methanoic acid. The second one is number of carbons 2. So the name is eth plus ane plus iic acid, ethanoic acid. Then the third one is the number of carbons 3. So parent prop plus ane plus iic acid. So the name is propanoic acid. All the formulas write in subscript only.